Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the FlashCheck certified min-max alarm thermometer. The IC-12238 certified alarm thermometer features a min-max memory, a large easy to read LCD, and high and low alarm settings. The thermometer monitors temperature inside freezers, refrigerators, or any cold holding display cases. The sensor has a 3-meter cable and a blunt stainless steel probe enclosed in a sealed plastic bottle of propylene glycol. This enclosure helps prevent false alarms, as rapid temperature fluctuations will not impact the probe's measurements. For example, brief fluctuations caused by frequent door openings that occur during regular use. In the box there are instructions for use, and manufacturing certificate of compliance, calibration record sheet, and the IC-12238 thermometer. Features of the certified minimum maximum thermometer include an extra large display. At the same time, the unit displays the current temperature at the top and the maximum and minimum values at the bottom. There's 4 easy to navigate buttons. Clear, this is a multifunction button and is used to reset the alarm indicator, clear the high-low flashing indicator, and reset the maximum minimum memory. Mode, this is also multifunction. It allows users to switch between the maximum and minimum and high-low views on the main screen, enters into configuration menu mode, and moves between options in this menu. And the up and down selector keys are used to increase and decrease set point values within the menu. On the back of the unit there's the battery compartment, 3 magnets for mounting onto a fridge, and a stand. And on the end of the 3-meter cable is a stainless steel probe enclosed in a sealed plastic bottle of propylene glycol. And that's what comes in the box with the FlashCheck certified min-max alarm thermometer, the IC-12238. For more information on this thermometer, including a video demonstrating how to set up the unit, see the links in the video description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.